With its winning pedigree on the line, Letran has welcomed the NCAA Season 99 with much anticipation through the Pep Rally 2023, New Heroes of the Game.
Medyo mahirap kasi sabay yung klase pero ganun talaga student athlete. Kaya mas dinodouble effort lang namin yung practice para mas lalong ano. Sa ngayon, medyo okay naman yung preparation namin towards the tournament. Pero hindi pa namin alam kung sino mga kalaban kaya mas todo yung preparation pa lang.
As the Colegios transitioned to its old way of celebrating activities, the community rests its hand on the new breed of athletes to continue its pursuit of knightly excellence.
Ngayon, pag nag-start na yung season kasi bawal na kami sumali ng ibang tournament eh. Kaya focus lang kami ngayon sa NC kung ano muna yung mga kalaban namin, waiting kami. Tapos doon kami mag-prepare kung paano namin atakihin.
To be honest, sa first few trainings namin, we really had to adjust. Makita namin kung paano kami naging more organized as a team. Right now, masay namin na we're not completely ready yet, pero we're more than 50% ready for the next season.
Has been a long dream and plan for the team since 2017. Yung development plan namin, yun talaga yung target. We were very much privileged at saka sobrang laki ng pasalamat namin sa community kasi sinuportahan talaga yung programming. So that's why last year, hindi sa pagyayabang pero yun kasi talaga yung tinarget namin. So immediately after the performance ng mga bata, actually, prior to competition, kaming dalawa, nararamdaman na namin na magpo-podium talaga this year.
Lahat kami naging motivated. So, hindi lang yung mga bata, kami rin as coaches, mas naging motivated kami mag-isip, mag-plan, para mas makuha pa namin yung goal namin this season.
Siguro ngayon, parang mas bumigat yung pressure. Kasi siguro pataas ng pataas yung ranking ng Letran Cheering Squad. Ngayon, ini-aim namin na itaas pa. Mag-i-aim kami ng championship. Ano pa namin yung training namin? Do-double pa namin yung training namin. Paghihirapan namin yun para maiuwi yung championship sa Letran.
Napatunayan naman yung mga bago namin, yung mga nawala kasi alos nga veterano nawala. So yun, hindi man ako nagsawang mag-advise sa kanila on and off the court. Nakikinig naman sila sa akin, mabilis naman sila makapag-adapt. Nagtutulungan na naman kami bawat isa sa amin. So far naman, maayos naman eh. Maayos naman yung takbo namin ngayon. As a captain ball ako ngayon, marami din naman tumutulong sa akin. Lalo mga co-captain ko, natutulungan naman kami.
Every game, papanalo namin para pagdating ng mga laro, makukuha namin yung forfeit na sa atin pa rin. I-defend pa rin natin yung corona.
Tatatak pa ba ang Dugong Arriba bilang kampiyon in this year's NCAA Season 99?
Backed by an eventful off-season filled with changes, departures, and a call for new leaders, one thing remains the same for the red, white, and blue. Letran's Arriba spirit is as blazing as ever.
Will the streak continue?
Yes.
Do you think the streak will continue?
Yes.
Do you think the streak will continue? Yung streak.
Streak.
Yung winning streak, yung championship streak ng Letran.
Opo.